Did you know that eating 7 olives a day is as healthy as almost as if you were on the complete Mediterranean diet? Nutritionists now recommend that people eat 7 olives a day. You eat whichever flavor or type is your favorite. A lot of people are eating their 7 olives at bedtime. They balance blood sugar, makes you feel fuller, and helps you sleep. Black olives have more nutrients because they spend more time on the vine. They're higher in fiber, they're higher in vitamin E, and they have anti inflammatory properties that help reduce bone loss. And would you believe they're also high in iron? So the Kalamata olives have real healthy fats, and they're full of all kinds of vitamins and minerals, too many for me to even mention, but lots and lots of vitamin E, and they have really healthy fats, and they also are full of antioxidants. So the pimento stuffed olives are real healthy with the I can't say the word, monounsaturated fats. I always thought it was mono, but there's an N after mono, so it looks like they say it monounsaturated fats. But whatever the fats are, these are full of them, and they lower bad cholesterol and lower your triglycerides. So these are some of my favorite. The great big Serranola olives, the big large ones are usually stuffed. These are stuffed with jalapeno. They come stuffed with blue cheese. But they do say that if you eat 7 olives a day, you're going to have long-term benefits, long-term health benefits of just general health all over. So give olives a try. I try to eat different olives every day, and I put olives in my salad. And I know that they're high in salt, but we're talking about just 7 olives a day. But you really ought to give, this a thought. You might want to research it yourself. But I'm a big believer in eating olives, and I think you will be too when you research them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.